want to show how the snowplow doing.
Whoa.
Look. Yeah.
Oh, look at what he leaves in the middle of the road.
Road, guys. Every morning to remove the snow.
You jackass, you left a mess in the middle of the road.
Bubalik pa naahan. Yan ang siguro nagkausahon o ganang kuan. Bulldoze ang snow. You will come back. See? Maunay mo snow diri sa mo plow diri sa snow guys. Maunay mga government equipment nila para i-remove ang snow sa dam. Na mas takip ni Aniron kay busy magina sila. Na ang ilahang kuan diri kay ihanan na government kay ang blink nila is blue.
Don't stop and chat.
We don't have other road to pass on time.
What in the hell is wrong with this? And I got a plow right behind me. Boy, I'm telling you, you're not Wayne Andrews. I've seen Wayne Andrews plow.
This is how the way they clean the road, guys. On the other side too.
Look at under the snow. That's nothing but ice.
Yeah, really. See, so shine. The road so shine. This is a difficult part and dangerous part. Just like you wearing your snow skates and then you just lied on it. So this is the most dangerous part of if you are driving a car on a snow time, guys.
And when you got a park.
That's why ang ilahang ligid dere, kinahanglan mag-snow na gani, muilis yung kagligid na para sa snow. Para prevent sa accident. Nya, lahi pud ang wheels para sa summertime. So I think mahal ang ligid para sa snow, guys, compared sa ligid na summertime. But bahala na lang mahal basta safe ang imong drive on a snow time. Kaya ang importante nga avoid sa accident on the road. Di na ka makakitag mga parks kay tanang mga children's park covered na sa snow na po.
No, don't turn loud.
Motor yung sasyahan. Good job. Good for us kay dili namin magsunod sa plow. Kana siya dito pa dong sa pikas.
On future Buick design language, but a lot of the innovation has already made it into the current model lineup, including the brand's volume leader, GX. Kevin Nugared is Buick's design manager.
The Wildcat has this main
all guys, at least napakita na ko ninyo ang truck na
Holy shit!
mo limpyo sa road. See you.